Hey everyone, Dr. Alibhai here. We're going to show you an exercise to get your hips stronger. We tend to overuse certain muscles and we don't do much side-to-side motion, so our hip muscles on the side get very weak. We can get lower back pain, we can get hip pain and knee pain when there's weakness and instability in the hip. It's an easy exercise that you can do laying in your bed or laying on the ground. Very straightforward. Lay on your side in a comfortable position. You want to keep your hand underneath your head. And you keep your one hip stacked on top of the other as if you've got a rod going through one hip straight down into the other, so you're not twisting backwards or forward. You may have to bring your bottom hip towards you to align your pelvis. And of course, just head in a relaxed position, straighten out, okay? Straighten out the top leg, bottom leg is bent. And you're gonna keep your leg there, and then you're gonna bring it forward slightly and point your toes down towards the ground. It doesn't have to be all the way, but even if it's just at a 45-degree angle, that's fine. And make sure your hip doesn't just sink down. You hold that strong position there. You can keep your rib cage down. And with your toes pointing slightly down towards the ground, you're gonna lift your leg up and down, okay? And try and get through a full range of motion as far as you comfortably can go. Don't force it all the way up where you're jamming your back, but stay in a range there. And after like 4 reps already, I'm already starting to feel that this muscle right here is getting isolated. You can even keep your hand there and your fingers to stimulate that area to get those muscles to work a little bit harder and stronger. And you'll start feeling an ache and a burn there, and that's completely normal. You want to do 12 to 15 reps on each side. And if you find this too easy, you can bring your leg forward slightly, toes pointing towards the ground again, and then lift up. This would be the advanced version. Now that's going to be a challenge right away. For many people, you're going to want to start off here. The further you keep your leg back, the easier it will be. But don't forget to make sure you keep your core activated, rib cage down, keep the hip locked in and dialed in, and then lift the leg straight up. Make sure you're doing both sides equally, 12 to 15 reps, 2 to 3 sets a day, and this will help get you stronger. Take care.